What's wiggling, wire noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wire Noticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the brand spanking new Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. Now, I'm super excited to try these bad boys out because I've heard lots of good things about the original version, and not only is this version right here, the new one, cheaper, it costs $250, whereas I think the old one was maybe like $300, $350, something more expensive like that, but it also comes in this new black color, which I think looks just super duper clean. So, without further ado, folks, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Wire notice, wire notice, wire notice, wire notice. I got the tech, and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wire notice, wire notice, wire notice, wire notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wire notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So, folks, here we are up close and personal with this box, and the first thing you'll notice about the box, at least the first thing I noticed, was that it is definitely pretty big, especially for a headphone box. I definitely don't mind. I think it actually makes it feel maybe more premium that it comes in this giant box, but yeah, that's just my first thing I noticed. Also, up here we got the Microsoft logo, as well as the name of the headphones, Microsoft Surface Headphones 2, as well as this gigantic picture of the headphones in this beautiful new black color. So yeah, over here on this side of the box, we've got nothing. Over here on this side of the box, nothing. Over here on this side of the box, we've got the name of the headphones once again. Over here on the top of the box, nothing. And over here on the back, let's see what we got. We've got some more information about these headphones. So it talks about how obviously it works with a lot of different platforms. Windows 10, Android, iPhone makes sense because these are just a standard pair of Bluetooth headphones. Anyway, folks, now that we've seen what this box looks like, let's open it up. We can just peel the shrink wrap off just like that. Nice and easy. And then voila, here it is. This is a lot of shrink wrap because it's such a big box, so we can throw that to the side, and here is the box. So, folks, now we can proceed to taking the top off the box right here. We can just shimmy, 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 and slide it right off. Okay, come off, little guy, and boom, just like that. Now here we see the carrying case for the headphones. Here's the top of the box right there in all of its glorious beauty. And yeah, this seems like a pretty nice carrying case. It's got the Microsoft logo right there, and I'm guessing, of course, the headphones are inside, so let's take a peek at them. Wow, this carrying case definitely feels solid. It is hard, which is nice. I definitely like hard carrying cases. And yeah, let's open it up, and wow, here are the headphones. So right here we have the actual Surface Headphones 2. We can just take them out, and I'm gonna just put them right here to the side real quick. And then also in the carrying case right here, it looks like we've got a little bit of paperwork. We've got right here a USB-C to regular USB cable, and right here we've got a typical stereo cable. And then right here it talks about how to control the headphones. You can use the right ear cup for volume control, and you can use the left for noise cancellation. That's pretty cool. That has dedicated active noise cancellation control right on the headphones ear cup. Definitely looks like it's going to make it nice and simple to use these headphones, so I'm definitely excited about that. We can also put this bad boy right here, and wow, this feels like a solid carrying case, to the side and see what else is in the box. So we can just peel this up right here, and let's see. Okay, we got a tiny little cute box within a box. Let's see, and it looks like we've just got more paperwork right here. So yeah, just like that, I think we've got everything out of the box, folks, so let's focus on these headphones. So now that we're up close and personal with these headphones, let's peel some of this paper off. Ooh, and wow, that was a satisfying noise. Wow. Maybe we got some other fun, satisfying paper to pull off. We can pull off this right here. Not as satisfying, but it's all good. It's all good. We got a little bit right here. We can pull this off just like that, okay? And wow, it's even got cushioning inside the ear cups. Wow, they really took a lot of care to try to like protect these headphones in the packaging. That is definitely a good sign. So we can pull this out. We can pull this out, and wow, these are silly little guys right here. So, folks, if we take a look at these headphones, we can see right here we've got a large L and a large R to signify the left and right sides of the headphone. So once again, left right here, you're going to be using this ear cup for controlling the active noise cancellation, and this ear cup right here for controlling the volume. Definitely cool. And then yeah, also on the right ear cup, we've got a little audio jack right here if you want to use that stereo cable to use these headphones in a wired manner instead of a wireless one. Right here we've got a USB-C port, and we've also got some additional buttons right here. It looks like this one, for example, is the power button. And yeah, folks, I mean, while we're taking this close look at the headphones, you can also notice right here we've got a Microsoft logo, and right here we've got a Microsoft logo, and I'm also definitely noticing how big these ear cups are, so that's definitely a good thing. It looks like these are going to be really comfy, so why not put them on and try? So folks, here we go. Let's put them on my head, and oh wow, these really like encapsulate my ears. They definitely feel pretty comfy too. Maybe a little hard on the headband up top. But yeah, how do I look, folks? Ooh. So you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to get them connected to my iPhone and listen to some songs on them. Woo! And folks, of course, now I got these headphones connected to my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and I've been listening to a bunch of different songs on them, and I will say I am actually definitely blown away by the audio quality in these headphones. I mean, they sound really good, especially when you crank up the volume. I mean, they're definitely some of the best sounding headphones I've tried in a while, and that probably has a lot to do with the fact that they're these over-ear headphones rather than just truly wireless earbuds. But I will say the audio definitely sounds great, so I have no complaints there. I did look at myself in the mirror and see, okay, the design of these headphones is a little funny with the way this curves right here, but not the biggest deal in the world, especially when the audio sounds this good. And yeah, folks, also the active noise cancellation is also very good, because when I have that turned up all the way and I'm listening to an actual song on these headphones, even if the song's really, really quiet, I actually can't hear, like for example, the fan I have right here. Here's this fan, do you see it right here? So that's definitely good. And when I turn up the volume more and like actually sing along to the song, I can like almost barely hear myself speaking when I'm like singing along, so that's definitely pretty cool. I'm definitely impressed so far with the active noise cancellation on these headphones. So anyway, let me demonstrate what I'm talking about by singing along to a song in this video. That's definitely a Warenotice tradition whenever I unbox a pair of headphones. So in this video, I'm going to be singing along to a song that definitely matches my mood today, I Look Good by OT Genesis. So folks, here we go. I look real good today. 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 Jumping out the mother-loving Bentley. Rolling in the Casa New Balencies. Walking with a pocket full of Benjis. I'm a 10-piece. I look real good today. 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 And there I was singing along to that nice, simple, very catchy song that once again matches my mood clearly. For those of you who've heard what's going on, Vanderbilt right here, definitely very excited for that. But yeah, anyway, so that definitely illustrates my point with the active noise cancellation and all that stuff. So now that I am done singing along to a song on these headphones, you know that I obviously very much like the audio quality with them. Let me show you the in-microphone controls going on right here. So like I've said earlier, there's actually these spinny dials right here that you can use to control the volume right here on the right side, and the active noise cancellation over here on the left. And now I've turned the noise cancellation down, and it's pretty crazy. It's actually just said ambient sound amplified, and now I can really hear my voice very well. It's almost like an echo. So yeah, it's actually helping me hear my voice. And now if I turn the active noise cancellation back up, and now it's definitely harder to hear myself, and it just said maximum noise cancellation. And I'm not even playing any music, and it got harder to hear myself. And let me see. I can when I'm talking, I can like not hear this fan, but when I'm not talking, I can still hear it. But yeah, like I said earlier, if I just play a song like really quietly even, so okay, now the song's like very quiet, and let's see, can't really hear the fan. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, there's also some other controls in these headphones too, so not just that. On each ear cup, now this is awesome because it's on both ear cups, there's actually a touchpad in the center of that whole rotation thing, the rotating dial to control either in this headphone the active noise reduction, or in this headphone the volume. So what you can do with that is obviously control a bunch of different things with that touchpad on each ear cup. So on both ear cups you can do the same controls. One of them is just very simple, just a single tap. That's to pause or play your music. So now my music is playing. Let me turn it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and see guys, I can barely hear myself talking, so I'm just gonna pause it by tapping again with one finger, and now it's paused, nice and easy like that. Another control you have is the double tap, which lets you skip to the next song. So yeah, here, let me do that. So now folks, I have a song playing, so I can like barely hear myself talking right now, but let me just double tap, and boom, now it just skipped to the next song, so that's pretty cool. And now speaking of the double tap, while I can barely hear myself because the song is playing, you can actually triple tap to go back to the previous track. So 1, 2, 3, and boom. Now it's started that one track over. We can triple tap again, and now we're at the previous song. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna one tap, and now it's paused because it is like really hard to hear myself. I'm probably talking pretty loud, but like when the music is playing at like a normal volume and you got that active noise cancellation turned up all the way, it's hard to hear myself talk. So that is just so awesome. And yeah, last but not least, one more touch control is if you hold down on that touchpad, you can talk to none other than Siri, whatever personal assistant you have on your phone. So yeah, that is definitely pretty cool, folks. Anyway, folks, now moving on. Another thing that I think is really impressive about these headphones, apparently they also advertise up to 20 hours of battery life while listening to music playing on these headphones with that active noise cancellation turned on. So that is definitely really impressive. 20 hours with all that stuff on, that's almost a whole day, 24 hours. So yeah, definitely really impressive. And guys, I mean, with that, I think that'll be all for this Warenotice video. We've definitely had a good time right here discussing these very cool headphones right here. So once again, if you want them for yourself, they'll set you back about $250, and they come in this matte black color right here and also this sort of silverish grayish color. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think of these headphones based on this video down in the comments. I do read all the comments, by the way. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Microsoft Surface headphones too, baby. Ooh.